So the other day I did a video, well, not the other day, probably 2 or 3 weeks ago, I did a video on putting windshield wiper fluid into my truck. It's met, a good reception. And again, like I said in that video, I just do it to help people. So I'm going to do it on a 2017 Ford Fusion. If you need help with that, stick around. So if you start your car and it says that washer fluid level low, then this is the video for you. And it also has a idiot light on there, right there, the little washer fluid thing. So if you see that, this is how you fix it. The first thing you do is you gotta pop the hood. So that switch, that lever right down there below my boot, that's what you do use to pop the hood. There, I just did it. So once you have the hood opened up, you need some windshield washer fluid. As you can tell, I went to O'Reilly's. And this is where you fill it up. Blue, it's got the same picture on it as the warning light. So you just open it up and you pour it in there. So here we go, one hand in it. And I'm just doing this because my daughter seems to drive forever without being refilled, so I figured I'd help her out and help some other people. Maybe she can watch the video and learn how to do it herself. So anyways, if this helped you, please leave a comment. If you like these kind of videos, leave a comment. And if you need anything specifically done, let me know and it may appear on here. So again, as always, thanks for watching. Well, the old car is going by.